Set up your own little patch of pattern perfection this autumn with this beautiful checked pumpkin patch set. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. This set is new in my shop and it's just in time for the Halloween and Thanksgiving autumn season. These little pumpkins are hand painted with the black and white check pattern, half side painted with the checkerboard and the other half painted with a beautiful bright orange color to give your decor some pop this fall. Now this set also includes a little metal picket fence. It measures 5 by 5 and a lush green ivy leaves to go with it. So you're going to be able to set up your little arrangement of a pumpkin patch of your own in the smallest of spaces, and it's going to look amazing with all of your centerpieces in your dining room decor, maybe on your mantel, maybe in your foyer when your guests come in. It's eye-catching as a group, or you can split the pieces up and decorate with them separately throughout your home. If this set is the one for you, you can grab it using the link in the video description below. And if you want to see more new, unique items that are available in my shop as they come posted, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all I have for this one. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one.